How to play Fortnite with Nintendo Switch Pro controller on PC. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. So in order to do so, just open up your Steam and head on add a game. Select on add non-Steam game. From here, you need to select on your Fortnite if it is from your Epic Games version. Once you have successfully selected on it, it should be enlisted in your left hand side. For controller configuration, just tap on the Steam icon at the top and head to the settings option. From here, head to your controller. Now navigate to enable Steam input for Switch Pro controllers. Just make sure that it is toggled on to the right. If it's something like this, just tap on it to enable it. By this way, Steam will automatically recognize your Switch Pro controller and you'll be able to enjoy your Fortnite with your Switch Pro controllers on your PC. Wasn't it quick and simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.